All right, let's dive into the world of manifesting financial freedom and embracing prosperity in 2024. Can you imagine a life where money flows effortlessly and abundance surrounds you at every turn? Well, get ready to make that vision a reality. Now let's kick things off by introducing the powerful concept of manifesting financial freedom. By shifting our mindset and embracing prosperity, we can attract wealth and success into our lives like never before. But wait, before we can fully step into this new reality, we need to address the challenges and limiting beliefs that may be holding us back from achieving our financial goals. It's time to break free from the barriers that stand in the way of our prosperity. Manifesting financial freedom is a journey that blends mindset, practical strategies, and disciplined actions. By embracing prosperity, you can transform your financial reality and achieve a life of abundance and security. This comprehensive guide explores how to cultivate the right mindset, implement effective financial practices, and create a path toward financial freedom. 1. Cultivating the right mindset. 1.1 Abundance mentality. Positive thinking. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Believe that there are enough resources and opportunities for everyone, including yourself. Gratitude. Practice gratitude daily. Recognize and appreciate what you have, which helps to attract more positive experiences and financial opportunities. 1.2 Financial goals. Clear vision. Define what financial freedom means to you. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Visualization. Regularly visualize your financial goals and the life you want to create. This practice helps to keep you motivated and focused on your objectives. 1.3 Self-education. Financial literacy. Invest time in learning about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Read books, take courses, and follow financial experts to enhance your knowledge. Mindset development. Engage in personal development activities such as reading motivational books, attending seminars, and listening to podcasts that promote a prosperity mindset. 2. Practical financial strategies. 2.1 Budgeting. Track income and expenses. Keep a detailed record of your income and expenses to understand your financial habits and identify areas for improvement. Create a budget. Develop a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, investments, and discretionary spending. 2.2 Saving. Emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses to safeguard against unexpected financial setbacks. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure consistent saving habits without the need for manual intervention. 2.3 Debt management. Debt repayment plan. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, using strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Avoid new debt. Be cautious about taking on new debt. Only borrow for investments that have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value. 2.4 Investing. Diversification. Spread your investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds to mitigate risk. Long-term perspective. Focus on long-term investments that have the potential for significant growth. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 2.5 Income generation. Multiple income streams. Diversify your income sources by exploring side hustles, freelance work, or passive income opportunities like rental properties and dividend-paying stocks. Career advancement. Invest in your professional development to increase your earning potential. Pursue further education, certifications, or skills training to enhance your career prospects. 3. Building and protecting wealth. 3.1 Retirement planning. Retirement accounts. Contribute regularly to retirement accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, or Roth IRAs. Take advantage of employer matching contributions if available. Long-term growth. Focus on investments that offer long-term growth potential to ensure a comfortable retirement. 3.2 Real estate. Homeownership. Consider purchasing a home as a long-term investment. Homeownership can build equity and provide financial stability. Rental properties. Invest in rental properties to generate passive income. Research local markets to identify high-demand areas. 3.3 Tax efficiency. Tax-advantaged accounts. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like HSAs and 529 plans to save on taxes while investing for future expenses. Tax planning. Work with a tax advisor to develop strategies that minimize your tax liability and maximize your after-tax income. 3.4 Insurance. Health insurance. Ensure you have adequate health insurance coverage to protect against high medical costs. Life and disability insurance. Consider life and disability insurance to safeguard your income and provide for your dependents in case of unforeseen events. 4. Continuous improvement and adaptability. 4.1 Regular review. Financial checkups. Conduct regular reviews of your financial situation to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. Goal setting. Revisit and update your financial goals periodically to reflect changes in your circumstances or aspirations. 4.2 Adaptability. Market trends. Stay informed about market trends and economic changes. Be prepared to adjust your strategies in response to new information or opportunities. Lifelong learning. Commit to lifelong learning in personal finance and wealth building. Continuously seek new knowledge and skills to stay ahead in your financial journey. 4.3 Networking and mentorship. Build a network. Connect with like-minded individuals, financial advisors, and mentors who can offer guidance and support. Networking can provide valuable insights and opportunities for growth. Seek mentorship. Find mentors who have achieved financial success. Their experience and advice can help you navigate challenges and accelerate your progress. Number 5. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. 5.1 Handling setbacks. Resilience. Develop resilience to handle financial setbacks and challenges. View obstacles as learning opportunities rather than insurmountable barriers. Problem solving. Approach financial challenges with a problem-solving mindset. Break down issues into manageable steps and seek solutions proactively. 5.2 Maintaining motivation. Celebrate milestones. Recognize and celebrate your financial achievements, no matter how small. This practice helps to maintain motivation and reinforce positive behaviors. Stay inspired. Surround yourself with positive influences and success stories. Engage with communities and resources that inspire and uplift you. 5.3 Mindfulness and well-being. Stress management. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques to maintain mental and emotional well-being. Financial freedom is not just about money, but also about enjoying a balanced and fulfilling life. Work-life balance. Ensure a healthy work-life balance to prevent burnout and maintain long-term productivity. Prioritize self-care and leisure activities to sustain overall well-being. Conclusion. Embracing prosperity and manifesting financial freedom is a holistic journey that combines mindset, practical strategies, and continuous improvement. By cultivating an abundance mentality, setting clear financial goals, and implementing effective financial practices, you can transform your financial reality. Building and protecting wealth requires discipline, resilience, and adaptability. Regularly reviewing your financial situation, staying informed about market trends, and seeking mentorship are crucial steps in your journey. Overcoming challenges and maintaining motivation are essential to sustaining long-term success. Remember, financial freedom is a personal and unique journey. Stay committed to your goals, remain adaptable, and continuously seek knowledge and improvement. With dedication and strategic planning, you can embrace prosperity and achieve lasting financial freedom. In conclusion, remember that the key to achieving financial freedom lies in our mindset and intentions. By cultivating a positive outlook and setting clear intentions, we can attract wealth and abundance into our lives. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a call to action. Take this newfound knowledge and explore more content on manifesting financial abundance on our channel. Share your own experiences and insights in the comments below, and let's continue this journey towards financial freedom together. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey towards manifesting financial freedom in 2024. Remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within you. Embrace prosperity, manifest abundance, and watch as your financial dreams become a reality.